am going to discuss about the virus. First, I am discuss about the properties of virus. So you have to know what are the virus. Viruses are obligate parasite. They are pathogen or disease causing agent. They replicate inside the living cell. They cannot reproduce outside the host cell. They have seen only by the electron microscope. Viruses are infectious microscopic agent and they are found in almost all living cells. Viruses intact viral particles is called virion and they lack enzymes for the most metabolic processes. They are non-cellular and they contain only one type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. They can be single-stranded or double-stranded genetic materials. DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is a ribonucleic acid. They surrounded by the protein coat. Next, I am going to show you the structure of virus. Here you can see the structure of virus. This type of structure is called spike. Spike normally made up of protein. Next, you can see this area is called envelope. Envelope is a lipid layer. They contain membrane that surrounds some virus particles. So, viruses have the nucleic acid which surrounded by the protein coat. This is called envelope. You can see this type of structure. This is a RNA or DNA. They are genetic materials. This is a viral genome. Next is a nucleocapsid. Here you can see this ball-like structure is a nucleocapsid. So nucleocapsid, they able to transport the nucleic acid from cell to cell and they protect the nucleic acid. Here you can see this structure, red color structure. This is called enzyme. And here the small ball-like structure is called capsid. Mainly capsid of many identical proteins are in it and they protect the genetic materials. Next, I am talking about the types of bacteria. Mainly bacteria, there are two types. Autotrophic bacteria and the heterotrophic bacteria. So heterotrophic bacteria is a primary producer and they complex the organic compounds which is able to make its own food such as carbohydrate, protein and fat. Next, the autotrophic bacteria mainly two types. One is a heterotrophs and second is a chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs, they are mainly utilize the solar radiation and obtain their energy directly from the sunlight. And chemoautotrophs, they mainly utilize the chemical energy to create their own food. Next, the heterotrophic bacteria. So, heterotrophic bacteria are the bacteria that take the sugar they need to survive and reproduce from their environment rather than making the sugars themselves from carbon and hydrogens. So, heterotrophic bacteria mainly four types. First is a photoheterotrophs bacteria. Next, chemoheterotrophs bacteria. Third, organotrophs bacteria. And last, the lithotrophs bacteria. So, photoheterotrophs bacteria, they acquire energy from sunlight but require organic compounds like sugars from their environment to survive, like green non-sulfur bacteria, purple non-sulfur bacteria. Next, the chemoheterotrophs bacteria. So, chemoheterotrophs bacteria, they acquire energy from the chemical reaction. Like they are often found around the thermal well in the deep ocean. Organotrophs bacteria. Organotrophs bacteria require their energy from the organic substance. Like they involved in composting. And lithotrophs bacteria, they acquire their energy from the inorganic substance. Lithotrophs bacteria are very rare.